Inside Out PR includes everything you need to handle PR successfully yourself and get it done faster and better than you would if you outsourced everything. You get an expert go-to-media strategy, which is often quite different from your business or marketing strategy. You get professional media relations resources so you don't waste time making rookie mistakes. You get the relationships I built over the last 20 years, relationships with journalists and influencers, and you get the ongoing support you need to execute quickly. The Inside Out PR program gives you the guidance, tools, and know-how to effectively implement PR in-house yourself. You get an expert go-to-media strategy and key messaging, and you'll get professional editorial background materials. You get an arsenal of structured, easy-to-use resources, including templates, checklists, and training to make your media relations efforts easy, fast, and effective. I'll be on call for guidance, feedback, and editorial support so your outreach efforts are seen as timely and newsworthy instead of self-serving. And I'll make introductions to reporters and influencers and create media and influencer target lists so you know who to engage and in what order. In the past, there really was no way to get strategic, senior-level PR guidance without retaining an agency. Now there is. And in the next video, I'll explain how the Inside Out PR program is structured, how much it costs, and how long it takes.